Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So students, as you all know that soon we are going to have your half yearly exams. So in this time the question paper you are getting is of 80 marks and 20 marks you are going to get on the basis of the assignment or the homeworks which you are sending us. So if there is any assignment which you have not sent it, just send it as soon as possible. Okay, and start preparing for your half yearly exams. So let's get started. Class third, as we have finished with our syllabus of half yearly, so today we are we are doing revision of your chapter number 1, that is numbers up to 9999. Okay, first we will learn how to write the numbers name. So here I have written a number, and what you will do, first you will write the places over it. Okay, so this is your ones place, this one is your tens, and this one is your hundred place. Okay, now when you have to name them, what you will do, this is at the hundred place, 8 is at hundred place, so your number name will be 800, 800, and then this is 4 is at tens place, so this become 40, and this is at ones place, so this is 2. So you will write 842. Clear? Now similarly with this one, first you have to write down the places. So write down ones, tens and hundred. Now 2 is at hundred place. So you will write 200. Then this 2 is at tens place. So it become 20. And this one is your 4 at ones place. So you will write 4. Okay. So this is the way of writing a number name. Second is your write the following numbers in expanded form. You have to expand them. Okay, so for that also first write down the places, that is ones, tens and hundred. So I am telling you a easy way of writing them. First write down this 5. Okay, and how many digits after 5 you are having? 1, 2. So put 2 zeros. Clear? Now plus next number is 8. So write down 8. Now how many digits are after 8? 1 digit. So put 1, 0. Clear? And the last digit is 6. Now as you can see, there is no number after 6. So 6 will be written as 6 only. Same with this one. First write down 9. How many digits after 9? 2 digits. So write down 2 zeros. Plus then it is 4. How many digits after 4? Only 1. So put 1 0 and plus 2. Okay, this is your writing a number in expanded form. Next is your arrange in ascending order. So here I have written some numbers and you have to arrange them in ascending order. Now as you can see, in each number the highest place value is 100. Here also 100. Here this is also 100, and here also. Okay, so as they all are having the place value 100 is a maximum, so you have to compare the numbers at the 100 place. Now at the 100 place, which one is the smallest? Ascending means smaller to bigger. So which one is the smallest? 1 is the smallest. So your 132 will be written here. Next is your 3. So you will write 356. Then you having 4. So 456. And last one is your 936. This is the way of arranging them in ascending order. And suppose you have to arrange them in descending order, same, first you have to compare that the highest places, and then you have to write down from bigger to smaller. Okay, descending means from greater to smaller. Okay, next is your place value and face value. Okay, so what is your place value? Place value means the place occupied by the digit in a number, and face value means the number itself. Face value means the face. Okay, so the number itself becomes the face value of the number. So your first question is write the place value and face value of 7 in 3752. Now what you will do, first you will write down the places over them. This is ones, tens, 100, and this one is your 1000. Clear? So you have to find the place value of 7. So 7 is at what place? 100. So the place value of 7 become 700. Clear? Why? Because 7 is at 100 place. Now come to the face value. I told you the face value of the number is the number itself. So face value of 7 is 7. Clear? Now your next question is find the difference of the place value of 3 and place value of 2 in 3261. It means you have to find the difference of the place value of 3 and place value of 2. For that first you will write down the places over here. So this will be your ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Okay. Now the place value of 3 is at 1000 place. So you will write 3000. Clear? And place value of 2 is at 100 place, so you will write 200. Now you have to find the difference between them. Difference means you have to subtract them. So you will write the difference between 2 is 3000 minus 200. Clear? Now 0 minus 0 will be 0. The 0 minus 0 will be 0. Now here it is 0. This is 2. So 3 will give carry to this. It become your 10 and 3 become your 2. Okay. Now 10 minus 2 will be 8 and this 2 will be copied as it is. So your answer is 2800 or 2800. This will be your answer. Clear? Now next we are having predecessor and successor of a number. So what do you mean by predecessor? So the predecessor of a given number is one less than the given number and the successor of the given number is one more than the given number. So first question is find the predecessor of 3200. So you have to, as I told you that predecessor means one less than the given number. So you will subtract 1 and your answer will be 3199. Okay. Next is your find the successor of 8299. I told you successor means one more than the given number. It means you have to add one more to this number and when you add 1, so it becomes 8300 and this will be your answers. Okay. Now next we are having forming of numbers. So your first question is form the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number using the digits. A part is 8, 3, 6, 9. So you have to use these digits and you have to form one greatest and one smallest number. So it's very simple that when you have to form the greatest, arrange them in descending order. It means bigger to smaller. So which one is the greatest among them? 9, then 8, then 3 and then 6. So this is the greatest number that can be formed using these digits. And when you have to arrange them in, when you have to write the smallest one, then you have to arrange them in ascending order. So ascending means smaller to bigger. So which is the smallest among them? 3. So 3, then it is 6, then 8 and then 9. Okay. So the greatest number can be formed by using these digits is 9836 and the smallest number is 3689. Okay. Now your B part, we are having digits 9, 2, 0, 7. So for greatest, arrange them in descending order. So it will be 9, 7, 2, 0. Clear? Now but for the smallest, you cannot write 0 on the highest place. Okay. As you know, if 0 is written before a number, it doesn't have any value. So for writing the smallest number, and if you are having 0, so 0 is always written at the second place. Okay. So arrange them in ascending order. First is your 2, then you will write 0, 7 and 9. Always write 0 in at second place when you have to write down the smallest number. Okay. So class 3rd, in our next video, we will be doing revision of your remaining chapters. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe.